Hi friends, here is a step-by-step guide on how to deactivate Facebook Messenger on your device. To deactivate Messenger on your device, you need to deactivate your Facebook account first because the Messenger is linked to your Facebook account. So you can't deactivate Messenger without deactivating your Facebook. So let's get started. You open the Facebook app on your device. You tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then you tap on Privacy Shortcuts. After that, you scroll down and locate Delete Your Account and Information section. Then you tap on it. Now the page is loaded. You select Deactivate Account and tap Continue to deactivate account. When you tap on the Continue to account deactivation. After that, you enter your password when prompted and tap Continue to complete the activation process. So, deactivating your Facebook account is prerequisite to deactivating Messenger, and this will deactivate your account temporarily. If you want to reactivate your Facebook Messenger, you'd have to fill in your details again, and this will automatically reactivate your Messenger too. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.